Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm going out to get some makeup products and also go and do my hair. I have to change this hair. I have an event I'm going this weekend. So I have to change this hair. If not, I cannot take this hair, Hattie. The hair. I know, see, I have to change this. I don't really have time. I hope I can change this hair today because I have to lose this hair and I have to wash it because I'm going to be installing my wig. So I don't know if I can do that today, but I have to do it because I don't have time anymore. Just left of like 1 or 2 days for me to get ready for the event. And also, I have to also do my nails. As you see, there's a lot of things for me to do this week. I also have to do my nails. And then I'm going to pick my daughter from school, then go straight to the salon to lose the hair. Then I think that will be all for today. And then tomorrow, another day continue. So hey guys, I'm so sorry I have to do a voiceover because I don't know why I was filming this vlog. Hey, my mic accidentally switched off. Like I did not even notice. After filming the vlog and everything, I went back to look at my video and I saw that my mic was not working. But anyway, can we just talk about this hair? Just look at the length of my hair. Like honestly, I cannot believe it's grown this much. Like last year I chopped it off and only started taking seriously care of this hair like 2 months ago, and boom, just look at it now. Like I'm surprised. I can't even believe. So I was actually planning to install a wig, but after seeing how far my natural hair has come, I changed my mind. So I booked for an appointment for braid my hair instead. So it's been a while since I do anything like braid. I don't really know if it's going to fit me. So I really hope that it turned out nice. But I'm just going to try it and see because the hairstylist told me that my hair is enough. The length of my hair is enough for me to do any style of braid. So I have one braid is put in my head. So I'm going to try it out today and see if it's going to come out nice. So guys, just keep on watching and see the magic that is going to happen on this hair. So guys, I'm back. Just look at my hair. Like honestly, I did not think this hair would turn out this good. Like I really love this hair. I was so happy. It's so neat and beautiful. I really love this look right now. Oh god. Honestly, I think I'll be doing braid more often for now. Like this hair really suits me. I really love it. It came out so well, so beautiful. I didn't expect it to be like this. Like the hairstylist really tried. I showed her the inspo that I was going for, and she did exactly the same thing. There was no different at all. I love the hair. I love everything. I was so happy. And you can look at just look at my face. Everything about me just changed. I didn't expect it to look beautiful like this. Like, what do you guys think? Just let me know in the comment. Like this hair is so beautiful. I really love it. I was so happy. So guys, this is me just getting ready to head out with my friends because let's be honest, this kind of beauty is not meant to stay indoor at all. Like, let me go out, let me go and show it off. Let me show this beautiful hair off. And if you are watching my vlog for the first time, you are highly welcome. Let me introduce myself. My name is Unique. I'm a Belgium-based YouTuber and a proud mom of one. On this channel, I share my daily life beauty routine and lifestyle fashion content. All the real stuff, no fleeting. So if you find this channel interesting, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a beautiful comment if you are enjoying this vlog. So guys, this is going to be the end of this vlog today. See you on my next vlog. Bye.